Trying to juggle multiple warehouses and keep stock levels accurate? Let's dive into the best free Magento 2 inventory extensions, their features, and how to use them effectively. A free Magento 2 inventory extension provides real-time syncing that keeps stock levels consistent across all channels. It also helps you track fast and slow movers so you know which products are in high demand and which aren't getting much attention. Demand forecasting uses your sales data to predict what stock you'll need. These tools let customers order even when you're out of stock and notify them as soon as their items are ready. It's great for not losing sales. Plus, if you've got multiple warehouses or locations, you can manage all of them without juggling spreadsheets. Keep inventory data updated. Real-time sync only helps if your numbers are accurate. Use automated replenishment to reorder products before they run out. It saves time and prevents surprises. Double-check your settings, reconnect integrations, and test your system regularly. If back orders don't work, ensure thresholds and notifications are set up correctly. Now, let's break down how free Magento 2 inventory management extensions can keep your store running smoothly. Magastore's inventory extension syncs in real time. It supports multi-location management and handles stock transfers like a pro. Demand forecasting also helps keep things running smoothly. Wyoming Advanced Inventory lets you manage stock across multiple locations, create back orders, and customize alerts to prevent runout. These tools keep things simple and efficient without costing you anything. Free extensions work great for small stores, but as you grow, paid options offer ERP integration, detailed reporting, and better support, worth considering for complex operations. Want to simplify your stock management? Hit that like button, share, and subscribe for actionable e-commerce advice.